There's a unique satisfaction that comes from the creation of homemade wine. It's a toast to tradition and a testament to the human spirit's ability to create something extraordinary from something as simple as grapes. Firstly, the journey of homemade wine begins with selecting the right grapes. This is crucial because the quality of the grapes directly affects the taste of the wine. One can choose from a variety of grapes from Cabernet Sauvignon to Pinot Noir, each lending a unique flavor profile to the wine. Once the grapes are selected, they need to be harvested. Harvesting usually takes place in the late summer or early fall, when the grapes are perfectly ripe. Next, the grapes are destemmed and crushed to release their juices. This process, known as maturation, allows the natural yeast on the grape skins to start the fermentation process. The crushed grapes are then transferred to a fermentation vessel. This could be a large glass jar, a wooden barrel, or a stainless steel vat. The choice of vessel can influence the flavor of the wine. The juice then ferments for about 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, the sugars in the juice are converted into alcohol. This is what gives wine its alcoholic content. After fermentation, the wine is strained to separate the liquid from the grape skins and seeds. The liquid, now wine, is then transferred to a new vessel for aging. The aging process can take anywhere from a few months to several years and is crucial for the development of the wine's flavor. Once the wine has aged to perfection, it's time for the final step: bottling. The wine is carefully transferred into bottles and corked. The bottles are then stored in a cool, dark place until they're ready to be enjoyed. In summary, making wine from grapes involves a series of steps that start with the selection and harvesting of grapes. The grapes are then crushed and fermented, after which the liquid is strained and aged. Finally, the wine is bottled and stored until it's ready to be savored. The process may seem lengthy and intricate, but the result is a bottle of homemade wine that is a true labor of love. It's a testament to the power of patience, the beauty of nature, and the joy of creation. So here's to the art of winemaking, a tradition as old as time, yet as fresh and exciting as each new harvest.